Hey, it's Paul from Paul's Wanderings, the channel for those that like to get out and explore their surroundings. It's been a long time since I've been in Boston. Just came from Red Sox game. I made it through 2.5 innings. It was unreal how cold it was. I am now just kind of wandering around, having some fun before I catch my bus in about an hour and a half. So let's go! When I was working down in Boston a couple of years ago, this whole area was under construction and it was an absolute mess. This place is gorgeous. Huh? The summer that I was working in Boston, about 3 or 4 years ago, I would take this walk several times a day. Actually, this was the the road that I did the Boston jaywalking thing and face planted as a car was coming at me. That was fun. This is the Fort Point Channel. Here is where some of the tunnels were built and floated out to connect Boston with Logan Airport. Screw it.
Have a great one.
You too. I used to love coming down here, walking along Boston Harbor, especially in the summer. It is absolutely gorgeous. I really enjoyed visiting some of the old places that I would walk when I worked in Boston. Not quite as warm as when I worked down here in the summer, but it was still just as fun. It's always a good day to get into Boston and have some fun. I hope you liked it as much as I did. If you did, remember, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, remember to click the subscribe and notification buttons down below so you know when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, I know that you'll love the one that'll pop up right here. So until I see you again in my next adventure, this is Paul signing off.